Hi everyone, today we're making garlic naan bread. Okay, let's start. In your bowl, you're going to put 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1.5 teaspoon of instant yeast. And a pinch of sugar. You're also going to add 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt or plain yogurt. Lastly, add in 1 or 1/2 cup of warm water. Yes, 1/2 cup of warm water, and then you're going to knead your dough. Keep adding a drop of water if you feel like your dough is too dry. Knead your dough till it does not stick. You can also rub your hands with a little bit of oil. Now cover your dough and let it rise for about 40 minutes to 50 minutes, depending on the temperature of the place that you put your dough in. So a warm place will be ideal so that it will rise faster. So just let it rise, double in size. Now flour your surface and then knead your dough gently on the surface. And then you're going to cut your dough and roll it into mini balls, as you will see in the video. Roll out the dough with the rolling pin like this, making sure that it forms a nice flat oval shape. Now cook your dough in a hot pan. No need to put any oil or butter. After about 3 minutes, turn your dough and cook it until it's nicely browned and charred on both sides. For the garlic oil, mince about 1 tablespoon of garlic, few leaves of parsley, and melted butter or oil. Brush your naan bread on both sides with the garlic butter or garlic oil. Brush it on both sides, and you can enjoy it with maybe butter chicken or any stew of your liking of choice. And enjoy!